At Community Playthings, our love for children is at the heart of everything we do. With your nursery in mind, we design and manufacture quality solid wood furniture and play equipment that will last. And while children come first, we also try to keep your staff's needs in mind during product design. All our furniture comes fully assembled with a 15-year warranty and delivered within 10 working days. Our items are adaptable and flexible, ready to meet every need, including those we now face during the current coronavirus crisis.
The outdoors is one of the best environments in which to learn, where children experience joy and excitement as they play. Our outdoor products are made from a koya, essentially a pickled wood, and will last outside for decades. The beautifully designed items from our Outlast range will fit into your natural outdoor area and enhance the play and learning opportunities found here. Outlast is easy to clean, and any amount of soap and water will not affect the integrity of this wood. Rugged and very, very durable, these items have been tested and are able to withstand years and years of little feet jumping, running and climbing all over them. Unlike fixed structures, your staff can easily move Outlast to create defined areas for focused play. They are open-ended and allow children to create their own worlds. Our Outlast blocks are child-friendly, with no sharp edges or toxins. Handholds make carrying easy. Loose parts encourage imagination, while interlocking blocks and planks make it possible to build on uneven ground. The Outlast Toddler Collection finally brings play opportunities for babies outdoors. These young children are developing their physicality, coordination and balance, and are looking for challenges. Toddler Outlast is easily moved and reconfigured, encouraging open-ended active play. Our mud kitchen comes in 2 sizes. The kitchenette fulfills the need of your under 3s to explore through parallel play, while the larger classic model for 3 to 5s has plenty of accessories for budding cooks and a large surface area as they play collaboratively. Community Playthings Outlast Cascade brings STEM alive as your children work with real-life erosion, gravity, flood control and experimentation with any number of natural loose parts. Messy play is extremely important for a child's development. It provides children with an exciting tactile and sensory experience that inspires their curiosity and enhances their learning, language and creativity.